Alright, I'm putting this video out as like a little tech tip because every time I seem to do these power steering lines, no matter how many times I do it, I can't ever remember how I did it. So to get to this nut right here and to undo it, what you want to do is you want to disconnect the return line. You want to take the little 90 that's here off. There's just a 10mm holding that buddy on. My O-ring looks good. If your O-ring looks like poop, I recommend replacing it. Mine's good. It's a little 10mm right here. And then I lowered the subframe on this side. I loosened this bolt all the way, and then I screwed in quite a few threads that I'm comfortable with. Same thing with this big 21mm bolt. And then you got to loosen these, and it should come down enough for at least me to get my fat hand in here, because it's not the removal that's such the hard part here. If you can't get your hand in here, maybe skinnier people don't need to do that, but it's when you go to re-thread in the new one. So even with this old one here all lined up, it's hard to thread it in. That's where you're gonna lose your mind. The other side of it looks up right here, which is easy to get to. There is a hanger up there, and then there's a hanger right here, and then that's it. It comes right out. This is just the hard part, and it's going to be the hardest part to start too. Flare nuts suck, so hopefully this will help somebody get their fat hand in there and screw it down. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Sorry I missed one. There's a hanger way up there that I forgot about, that I'm going to have to put it down and get it from the top with a 10mm holding it on. Good luck for your DIYers on that one, because that one's gonna kind of suck. So, and I guess I'll show you the top view of that. It's this angular bracket right here, you see, with all this crap in front of it. There's a 10mm right underneath that connector. You're gonna have to play some braille games and feel for it, because I can't even get my phone on it. So good luck with that. Thanks for watching. Okay, and I guess last bit before we go is take it out the top. It's going to be the easiest, because you got to negotiate around all this hoses and harnesses over here with that silly little hold down that I was just pointing to, and it's going to be way easier to come up this way. Sneaking around that way is impossible. Well, I shouldn't say it's impossible. It's not efficient. Way easier just to come out that way. So thanks for watching.